sometimes we just pull up and it's like, fuck, here we are. First time I'm putting eyes on it.
Yeah.
Or I know where the venue's at, but I don't know exactly where they're gonna take us backstage. If I'm the point man, I'll come out. If it's nighttime, it makes it a lot easier. Our clients have just noticed, like, oh, shine a light, like boom, boom, boom.
Yep.
Hit it at the ground. I'll be like, that means follow me.
Yep.
Right? And I'll turn the light on and I'll hold it kind of back here in this fashion.
Yep.
Right? So they're like, oh, there's my light. I'm following here. And then whoever my other partner is or whatever our configuration, right behind them. Make sense?
The protectee, the husband might want you there, the wife might not want you there. The husband may have wanted you there originally in the beginning as an idea, but now that they see you here, you know, they're kind of like, this is getting annoying. So literally the way you survive in this game is being able to read the wind, feel them out, and stay out of their way and respect the fact that they have to do their life with us around. And so I think there's something to be said for a psychological posture of, I'm here to serve you guys, protect you guys, and not make me the focus of your life. I want you to live your life in the safest way possible, and I'm here to really be like a good, faithful person that serves that mission. But what a lot of guys do, if you have an unhealthy ego, is it starts being about me, the protector. I'm here protecting you. I'm protecting you. I am here protecting. And those dudes get whacked quick. Or it's, look how cool I am. We're buddies now. You know, and then they start bodyguarding, and then they also they die fast. Every room he was in, I was in. You know, I saw all the life things happen, all the audits and divorces and suing and remarrying and kids and all the things that happen to someone at that level. Now I'm like a son to him, right? And so we have a relationship like that as well, you know, and but knowing how to flow in those places while maintaining that respect and knowing that you are a professional first, that's what is going to make it safe enough for you to have a relationship like that. The reason it doesn't work for most people is they think that as they get that close relationship, that it's good and that it's like the goal. The goal is being known as a professional person. If they trust you as a professional, then they'll let you become closer.